A resentencing trial is set to start tomorrow for two Volusia County men convicted in a gruesome murder almost 20 years ago.
They were originally sentenced to death, but the sentences were overturned because the jury's decision was not unanimous.
As News 6's Molly Reed explains, more motions have just been filed today ahead of the trial that could change how they proceed.
Prosecutors here filed two motions within the last few days, one just this morning to remove the current judge from this trial, and another just a few days ago to use a new law that says a jury's decision does not need to be unanimous for the death penalty. In August of 2004, investigators found 6 people and a dog beaten to death at a home in Deltona. They say Troy Victorino had been squatting in the home and was upset that after he was caught, the homeowner's granddaughter still had a few of his things, including an Xbox game. In a mass killing dubbed the Xbox murders, he and 3 other men killed her and her friends. All 4 were convicted, but only Victorino and Jerome Hunter were sentenced to death for their roles. In 2016, a state Supreme Court ruling stated death penalty jury decisions must be unanimous, and Victorino and Hunter's sentences were overturned. But now a new Florida law just signed in last week states only 8 of the jurors must vote for death.
State of Florida versus Jerome Hunter and State of Florida versus Troy Victorino.
While the bill was being signed into law, though, jury selection for this trial was already going on. Despite prosecutors arguing during selection that the new law should be considered, the judge swore the jury in. Prosecutors are still pushing for it, though, filing a motion with the court right after. They're also now asking to remove the current judge. They believe he's biased towards the defense, saying he refused to wait on swearing in the jury until after the state could present its case on using the new law. Hunter and Victorino's defense team argues the trial had technically already started with jury selection, and therefore the 2016 law should be followed. At this hour, according to the court's website, there has not been a decision on either of the motions. There was supposed to be a motion hearing this morning here, but that did not happen, so as of right now, the trial is still expected to start tomorrow morning. In DeLand, Volusia County, I'm Molly Reed, getting results, News 6.